Yo, I just watched an episode of CIA, the new CIA show, and it's connected to the FBI and FBI International show because I just saw Ian talking with the one of the main characters, talking about some need to hide from something until he finds like a girl or something. I didn't really watch the episode, but I saw the ending, and you know, CIA show I might actually watch it, like from the start to know the context, and the FBI show, with Omar and the others, FBI International, Scott, West, and everything. But something ominous about the ending just now, which I'm gonna figure out when I watch the show. But it looks peak. I mean, Dick Wolf created this universe from FBI to FBI International and now CIA, and it's gonna be a full packed, blown, like a marathon. I'm gonna watch the shows probably. Even the Rookie also is not connected to Dick Wolf, but the Rookie has its own show, connected with the Rookie Fats and all that. So yeah, so that's all from me, guys. Thank you. Stay healthy.